So I've been on this journey called One Rental at a Time by my man Michael Zuber, and it's going to be the only. I've always said I would never join any kind of paid membership and make other YouTubers or Instagrammers or anybody rich with my money with a course or a membership, paid membership. But I did join one, and it's called One Rental at a Time. It's $20 a month, 67 pennies a day, Michael Zuber says. And I think it is going to be what changes my entire life, the trajectory of my entire life. My goal is to get my credit right, which I am already been working on. Save a down payment. I'm in a situation financially right now where I can save a lot of my money from working, save up, get my credit right, make offers on a Forplex. I want at least a duplex, but my whole goal is a Forplex. Matter of fact, I'll take that back. I don't even know why I said that. I'll probably edit that out. I'm going to own a Forplex. But I'm going to take you all on the journey with me. I'm going to go from active addiction to shooting meth into my veins to becoming a real estate investor through a whole lot of help, guidance, structure, and mainly this one rental at a time approach. The whole reason why I'm choosing the one rental at a time approach is because it's the only book that I've ever listened to, however you want to look at it, that goes over a solid foundation and a solid plan, a solid structured way for a W-2 worker like me to get into real estate, one rental at a time. Michael Zuber says if he had to do it all over again, he would start with a Forplex. That's why I'm going to do a Forplex, and it just makes sense. I can house hack. I can do this thing called house hacking out of a Forplex. Meaning I live there. Now I got to live somewhere, so I buy a Forplex, get creative financing for this Forplex, live in the Forplex, rent out the other 3 units. Right there's cash flow. As soon as I do that, that's cash flow. That's money in my pocket. But anyway, my whole reason why I'm making this short video is I want to let you know that I'm going to take you on the journey with me, show you about how I fix my credit, how I've been rebuilding my credit, how I've been raising my score, how I've been saving money, how I've been able to save up for a down payment, what I'm doing, having to do side hustles, donate fucking plasma, whatever the fuck I've got to do to make this happen, that's what I'm going to do. All bullshit aside. And the way YouTube is right now,
turn left onto New Savannah Road.
I don't know any other, I can't think of it, but I don't have no niche right now. I've been doing music reactions and different things like that, and making music shorts like of hip hop and rap and famous artists, and they do good, and some of my reactions do good. Some of my top 10 stuff that I did.
Take the next left onto New Savannah Road.
I've just been hopping around, man, hopping on this YouTube journey. That's only been 7 months. I mean, I've got 19,000 subscribers in 7 months.
Continue on New Savannah Road for 3 miles.
Not a whole lot of people can say that, so I'm doing good, but I don't have the watch time, and I can't hold people's interest for long enough. So I'm just going to take you on the journey of me using this one rental at a time and real estate investing as YouTube content as well. So I'll grow my YouTube channel, I'll grow my life, I'll grow spiritually, I'll grow financially, and I'll just take you all on the journey with me. And then, my daughter will have it, my grandkids one day will have it, and it'll be, if I don't create generational wealth, perhaps I can create generational health, mental well-being, mental fitness, different things like that. 5 minutes, I'm out. KP out.